So winter months, how does our skin change? Obviously we're all going through a lot of stress these days, and it's important to maintain your skin health in these troubled times. So in winter we know that our skin starts to lose its barrier function, so people notice their skin starts to dry out, they can be a bit more itchy, particularly if they've got eczema prone conditions or psoriasis, problems like that. Often they notice they may be a bit worse because moisturisation and using their regular emollients, which are the moisturisers, have lapsed off a bit. Because we're now all cooped up in environments where we're at home doing work with air conditioning and heating and all sorts of different things at play, not enough fresh air, our skin does suffer, and unless we're looking after it and making sure we're maintaining a proper skin conditioning routine, you will notice dryness, there's no doubt about it. When people are using topical retinoids, we know that there is a tendency for the skin to peel and dry, but our staff here are very well versed in helping you in what sort of cosmeceutical agents could offset these problems. So really important to come in and have a talk to one of the doctors. So during the winter months we know that people do get a bit sad. It's called seasonal affective disorder. It can make people feel depressed and anxious, and interestingly enough we know that low-level light therapy is something we can do to help that. Light therapy also is very useful for people when their skin starts to lose condition, when they start to notice that they're feeling a bit saggy, a bit dry. The light treatments we use here can help rejuvenate the skin. Done twice weekly, it can improve the collagen, improve the barrier function of the skin, and people end up coming out happy from it. So it has a double-edged sword in what it can do to help us.